Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. One more long, deep breath in. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. One more time. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Just expand. Allow yourself to connect with the energy of the universe, the energy of the Mother Earth. As you pull in the energy of the universe as well as the Mother Earth, feel yourself centered where you are with your body. And as you expand, allow yourself to perceive the energy of Archangel Jophiel. Allow yourself to perceive, how does Jophiel feel like for you? How does it show up? Do you perceive Jophiel as an image, or as colors, or vibrations, or fragrance? What is it for you? Jophiel is indeed the angel of beauty. And now, allow yourself to receive the beauty, the joy, the inner peace, and vitality from Jophiel. Dear Archangel Jophiel, so I'm so inspired by Archangel Jophiel to say to you that, dear one, you are beauty. You are beautiful, just the way you are and just the way you're not. And everywhere in this life or any other lifetime, you bought the lies of this reality and the definitions of beauty, and you gave up your own beauty, and you are forcing yourself to fixate yourself judging yourself, not embracing your beauty. Just surrender all of that today. Allow your body to dissipate and release everywhere you have ever judged you have ever judged your body, you have ever judged your beauty. That was all a lie you bought from others. What is true beauty? The true beauty is in knowing that you are not just this physical body, you are an infinite being. And as an infinite being, you're connected with so many infinite beings, with so many angels and spirit guides, and they are all contributing to you because you are special. You are gifted. So, what beauty of you are you not acknowledging? If you don't have to buy the lie of and the definition of beauty of this reality, how would you look at yourself? Dear Archangel Jophiel, invoke in us the eye to see our real beauty, the gift that we can be to the planet. The beauty, the real beauty of this reality, of this in the universe is gratitude. When you contribute to someone's life and they are in gratitude to you, they cannot judge you. They just love you. You are so beautiful for them, whether you can see it in yourself or not. So, truly, what contribution can you be to the world? What gift can you be to the world that you haven't acknowledged yet? And when you connect yourself with the grace, when you connect yourself with the higher dimensional being and commit to your own joy, you are so full of the grace of the universe that that beauty, the inner radiance, just shines from within. You don't require many products. You don't require to spend thousands of rupees or dollars on cosmetics. You can if you choose to, yet the inner beauty will shine. Allow the shaft of white light to come from the universe all the way down to the top of your head, and slowly and gradually moving through every cell of your body with sparkles of bright pink light, fuchsia color, filling up your body with everything your body requires. And the awareness of what is it that your body now would like to choose. What kind of clothes would your body like? What kind of routine would your body like? Allow all of that to show up too. And everywhere you bought the lie of aging, the earth is shifting. The times are changing. I don't know if you have noticed or not, yet people are not aging that much or that fast as they used to in the past. The more you are connected to your own inner joy, the more you are truthful to your own self, the more youthful you will be. So allow yourself to let go of the belief system that you have to age. What if you don't? And even if you do, that would be so graceful. Allow yourself to receive the gift of prosperity from Archangel Jophiel, as Jophiel is the angel of beauty, and she fills you up with so much of abundance of wealth and prosperity that you can beautify yourself with so much ease. You can beautify your surrounding with so much grace that everything you touch becomes beautiful. Everything around you is beautiful. Allow Archangel Jophiel to bless you to have beautiful relationships. Relationships that are not based on give and take, on transactions, but relationships that are based on the joy of being together, the joy of creating together, the beauty of togetherness. And everywhere you bought the lie that that kind of relationship cannot be possible, or all your lies of what kind of relationship is possible, allow yourself to surrender all of that to Archangel Jophiel. Or any other thought that could be stopping you right now from receiving the grace, the beauty of Jophiel, just surrender it. Surrender it. What if to transform you do not have to look for problems and fix them? What if you can choose the path of transformation where you look for possibilities and choose them? Instead of regressing into your past and finding your faults and trying to change them, what if you progress into the future and find the future? What have you created? What possibilities were you then aware of, and bring that in your present and activate them in your system to make it happen faster. Allow yourself to be present to and receive this energetic download of beauty and grace from Archangel Jophiel. This energetic download of prosperity. Don't worry about where will that money come from. Just know that now when Archangel Jophiel has already contributed, the wealth is on the way. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Get present with your physical body wherever you are. Rub your palms. Put them on your eyes. And very slowly and gradually, whenever you feel comfortable, as much as maybe some of you don't even want to open your eyes, allow yourself to do that. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.